Your company is a complex system with many varying requirements. Your automation system in particular has a lot of different tasks to handle. Do you use a different solution for each section of your business? In the process section, a controller for the process, a separate controller for the drives in the process, another controller for batch operation, any number of controllers in production, plus other controllers in the shipping and packing section? This kind of automation solution is not the exception. Many companies have to put a lot of work into configuring and integrating their systems. And it is not only the engineering itself that requires a lot of work. It's a fact that only intensive training can turn your employees into specialists with the required software know-how. This is absolutely vital if operation and maintenance of all the different systems are going to run smoothly and effectively. Another significant cost factor is keeping so many different spare parts available. But there is something which is much more critical. How can you manage to generate reliable information from the vast amount of inconsistent data which is produced? Information which you urgently need as the basis for your business decisions. Data often has to be painstakingly compiled in many different systems, and then a great deal of time is required to evaluate it all. Reduce the multitude of systems in your company and implement an automation solution that gives you support at every level. Install totally integrated automation for all sections of your production. The same controllers and standard HMI devices throughout the factory. In the process, batch or continuous. In production, for packaging and shipping in the warehouse. This standardization is space-saving in stock and simplifies spare parts management. In addition, you will benefit from a considerable reduction in engineering and configuration work, even when a changeover or product retrofit is necessary. The system is scalable and your production operation remains flexible. This saves time and cuts costs for employee training, including training for your machine operators. This is because totally integrated automation works with a common operator interface throughout the whole production area. Put simply, that means, once trained, your staff can be deployed anywhere in the plant. Totally integrated automation means integrated data storage and communication, thus avoiding unnecessary interfaces and considerably reducing integration costs. And as if that wasn't enough, the integrated data storage allows system-wide diagnostics. The result? Shorter downtimes and an overall increase in plant availability. There are also other obvious economic benefits. You always have access to up-to-date, synchronized data and keep a tight watch on your energy consumption. In this way, you achieve absolute production transparency and can make faster business decisions. Totally integrated automation is an investment that pays off. Lower integration costs, lower energy costs, lower total cost of ownership. And you increase production transparency, flexibility, and investment security throughout your plant's life cycle. Make the most of the benefits of totally integrated automation now.